Click on the link below to see price. Jackery Solar Generator 1000. This handy device can charge itself. Its Anderson DC input is 7.9 by 0.9 mm, and it's fully compatible with most AC to DC adapters. You can also add optional solar panels to make it even more versatile. While it is slightly larger than a power bank, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 is much more portable than a gasoline generator. It is completely silent, too, so no one else will hear it while you're using it. Overview: whether you need a power source on the go, or are looking for a portable solar power solution, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 may be right for you. Its advanced inverter and high battery capacity make it one of the most versatile and affordable portable solar generators on the market. With a few tweaks, this portable solar power system can provide enough power for a week or even a month. The Jackery 1000 is a versatile piece of kit that offers a high level of power for most of your electrical appliances. Its USB output allows you to charge smaller devices. When you're camping, you can leave it out under a tent, and it can withstand light rain. If you want to use the power source on a regular basis, you can also plug in solar panels. It has inlets for both DC and AC power. However, the Jackery 1000's battery has a lifespan of 500 cycles. This means that it will start to degrade after 2 to 3 years. For comparison, the typical lithium battery in a camper van will last for at least 5,000 cycles. If you want to use your generator for an extended period of time, you'll need a larger Jackery unit. Just make sure to store it somewhere safe, and keep it out of reach of the elements. This portable solar generator is ideal for a road trip or digital nomad. It is also useful for robotics tests and various scientific pursuits in the field. With a capacity of 10 kilowatts, it can power up to 500 devices. In a statewide blackout, the Jackery 1000 can power up to 1,000 devices. The battery is also compatible with a slow cooker, and it has built-in handles to make carrying it easier. The Jackery 1000 is equipped with multiple charging ports. It has 3 110 volts outlets, as well as plenty of low-voltage ports for easy charging. Its LCD shows the input and output power. While it's a great portable power station for most people, it's not the best option for emergency situations. When camping or hiking, the Jackery can be the perfect solution. Click on the link below to see price.